The next thing we'll want to look at is back under Setup. You can see we have a list of options here. Depending on your application, you may need to adjust some stuff in what we call the weld sequence configuration. We scroll down here and select it. You can tailor your run-in. You can set up a start and a start ramp. If you needed a crater or for a crater fill application, you can go down here, and on any one of these, as long as you select it, you can edit it. This is just a function of time, so you could change that. And all of these here, if they're not enabled, like this is right here, you have to enable it. So you can scroll down here, and if I select it, it's enabled. And for some reason, if I didn't want to use the crater anymore, I could just select it again and disable it. You can scroll down through here. If you want to set up a retract, we could do that after the weld so we didn't have wires sticking out. To set up that retract, I do the same thing. I would enable it. I would go in here to edit, and I could choose my wire feed speed and my time for how much and how fast I want that wire to retract after a weld. And again, if I didn't need it, I could simply go to this retract here again and turn it off if for whatever reason I didn't want to use it anymore. You can toggle between enabling and disabling any of these functions here.